Ladies and gentlemen, ni hao, ni sambula vinaka, and once again, a very, very good morning to you all. As soon as I walked in, Ambassador asked me, how long is it that you haven't been to the Cultural Center? I think it's been nearly an year, Ambassador. I must apologize for that. But ladies and gentlemen, you know this year has been a very challenging year for us. And if I can pick out one statement that the Ambassador mentioned, is how we turn to culture, how we turn to people, and how we turn to friendships to give us the strength and the courage to move forward, even in these daunting times. And I know you're talking about how COVID-19 has impacted not only Fiji, but the rest of the globe. But today we are here to celebrate our friendship, the friendship between the people of Fiji, the government of Fiji, and the people of China, and the government of China, by launching a set of commemorative coins. And I must congratulate Ambassador, Your Excellency, you and your team for taking these initiatives. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we are geographically, we are thousands and thousands of miles away from each other, but Fiji remains a home to the thousands of Chinese who have made Fiji their home over the last 45 years. And indeed, it's a good way to celebrate our 45 years of friendship. And I'm sure that with the bilateral cooperations that we have between our government and your government, we will continue to thrive in terms of education, in terms of health, in terms of sports, and of course in terms of the economic trade that we currently enjoy. And I wish and pray today that we will have this friendship forever embedded in our lives between our people and your people. Ladies and gentlemen, again, His Excellency has basically summed up the whole partnerships that the two governments have. But I'd just like to say that education, tourism, and public health remains at the forefront of our cooperation between the two countries. And today, by launching the set of commemorative stamps, we are going to renew. We are going to renew our commitment. We are going to renew our strength in promoting these peaceful and friendly diplomatic relationships between our countries and our people. And like I said, I've always felt like a family to the Cultural Center, and I think this year we'll be celebrating 5 years, if I'm correct, 5 years of the establishment of the Cultural Center. And I haven't mentioned, I think I've mentioned only a few programs this year. I've always been part of it, and it's always been a pleasure to be here. Jenny, sorry, I forgot to mention you. I get so excited. I'm sure Dr. Bansod would be talking more about the stems. But I think, ladies and gentlemen, we need to talk more about friendships. For me, that's very important. And like as I mentioned in the beginning, it's how our relationship develops over time. The things that we learn about people who live thousands of miles across from our country, and how we embrace and welcome others into our country. So Fiji has been a home to many of the Chinese community, and I can assure you that Fiji will continue to remain a home to many of you. And like the reception that we get when we travel to your country, we come back with memories that are so fond. I mean, I have traveled on your request a number of times, and I'm sure our students who have benefited from the educational exchange program would vouch with me that the experiences that we have in your country, Ambassador, the hospitality of your people, the food, the scenery, and all that we get to see there is just, I must say, wow. And I must thank you for welcoming our students into your country and ensuring that they are part of the educational the programs. I think these stamps that we are going to launch today, I haven't seen it, but I know what I'm going to see. It's going to be a proud symbol of our rich cultural diversity and traditions, and of course will remain a true testament of our political will and trust between the two nations and the two people to take us forward in the next 45 years. We've managed to complete 45 years, and we've stood the test against all odds, and we are still here. And let's all wish and pray that the stamps that we launch today will remain testament of our friendship for the next 45, 50, 100 years to come. So I know we've always said that China has always remained a true friend of Fiji, and we have always counted on your support whenever there was a need. I must thank you on behalf of the government But Ambassador, to you and your team, I can assure you that the Fijian government will also true firm in our support towards you. We will be committed to our friendship, and we will strengthen our friendship in the coming years. And so on these words, it's a pleasure to be here once again. And ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of the morning, and let us all turn to each other and say, we are here for each other. And I'm sure, God willing, we will be able to, if we remain steadfast in our beliefs that good things will happen, I'm sure we will enter a positive future amidst all this pandemic that we have. This pandemic has basically shaken us all. Nothing, I mean, we never thought something like this would happen, but it's here. All we can do is find opportunities in this situation to progress and move forward. And like I said, let us keep that faith alive. Let us keep the friendship between our two nations, between our two people. And I'm sure there is always a bright future out there for both our countries. So thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Yeah, we can start. 1, 2, 3. It's stamping. That's official.
Oh, great.